2016 2.2cc Ford Mazda Everest or Ranger with no cranking issue. If your Everest experienced this issue and far from help, please watch this video. But first, please help me by subscribing to this channel. Thank you. First, look and check the following relays. They are responsible for the starter motor cranking the engine. Number 2 relay, which is assigned for the starter solenoid, or the starter solenoid relay. Number 15 relay, which is the run and start relay. Two, check the run and start relay fuse, fuse number 34, a 30 amps fuse. Swap the known good relays to relay number 15 and relay number 2 and try cranking or start the engine.
Hello.
Follow him,